So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off in the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. And then underneath this tray section, even more space again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. And then in the centre, firstly, you can see the total miles of the car there, 39,545. You can change information displayed above that. So we're on the driving data menu at the moment. So lots of bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and a digital readout for the speedometer. There are other menus available to you as well. So audio, telephone, vehicle status, and back to where we started. And you access those menus via the buttons just here. We've got our stereo controls, which continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control for the car. In the centre, we have the main screen. Firstly, though, above that, you can turn your parking sensors on and off. And you can see that you have a visual guide to the front and rear sensors available to you. We've got the hazard warning lights, heated rear screen. This button turns off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. Below that, we have our main menu, which you can access and use via this dial or, of course, via the touchscreen. We've also then got physical buttons that will take you directly into the highlighted menu. So when it comes to radio, we have DAB, FM and AM. You can listen to your own music. There's plenty of ways of doing that. And they include Bluetooth audio. So once you paired your phone, just here, you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. We have a vehicle setup menu. We can make adjustments to our bass, mid, treble, balance and fader. We have a car menu, which will give you various status updates, like, for example, needing to refuel. And then back to the main menu again. Below that, we've got our air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and the direction you would like the air distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down, depending on the temperature you set just here, of course. We have some storage back there, 2 cup holders, our USB and auxiliary input, and a 12-volt charging socket. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.